Hello, in this video I will show you how you can rotate screen on Google Pixel 10. First of all, swipe down your quick settings menu, do it again, and somewhere in your quick settings you should be able to find this auto rotate button. And after that, when it's enabled, just simply rotate your screen like that. And as you can see, my screen is rotating automatically. If you want to disable this option, same thing, you just simply have to find it and click auto rotate, and now it's disabled. I cannot rotate my screen. But also, if you have this icon somewhere in your quick settings, you have to add it by using the pencil icon over here and find the auto rotate feature in the display settings. As you can see, I am able to add the auto rotate to my quick settings by clicking this plus, and now I have auto rotate in my quick settings. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.